All right, fam, this next one, super solid, comes from Deal Team 6. I don't remember right off the top of my head which of the members found this first, but I will go back and link to their IG when I have a minute. But before this sells out, well, it probably won't sell out because there's over 1,000 in stock. So, pretty solid deal. Not sure if anybody knows about this yet because I think this is an overlap. So if you're on the fence, if you wanted a Dewalt miter saw and you were on the fence, this would be the time to bite. The 12-inch, that's right, not the 10, the 12. This is the big boy. It is not the belt-driven model. I believe it is the regular electric model with full slide, and it comes with a very chintzy clamp that you're probably going to chuck in the trash anyway. But it is a very, very good miter saw. 12-inch sliding Dewalt. And it is currently hackable. Again, I do not know if this is an overlap or if this is going to be a fall promo, but if you were on the fence, this would probably be the time to bite. Now, you can't go wrong with either hack item unless you want to keep the item. I'd probably go with the rolling stand, $229. Both stands are $229 anyway, but if you want to keep the stand itself, I'd go with the rolling stand. Add them into the cart. That's not a bad price on that stand, to be honest with you. But the real kicker here is $253 for the 12-inch sliding miter. No, I have never seen it this low unless it was like a deep clearance steel that you have to battle to get. That is a solid price. And like I said, if this is an overlap, this will be gone by the end of the day. Generally, when you see save 50% or more, it is either some kind of closeout clearance item or a glitch, which you guys know they don't last. If you're new to the channel, the way you're going to get these prices, you're going to get both of these shipped to different stores. One of them will cancel out, the one that you don't pick up, or you can just go ahead and ship them both to the store or to your house and then return the one you don't want. No, you don't need to return both items to get that price. You just need to return one of them. That's all I got for you. As the glitches continue to roll in, I'll share them. Have at it. Good luck.